Flint Lighthouse. Just an old lighthouse by the road. Super cool little structure we found here. Alright, so we're now in Ashtabula Cemetery. I think they call this place Cedar Grove or something Grove. I can't remember the name over here. But we found a monument that is for the train disaster victims. Kind of want to show you what it is. We're going to do a little bit of probing and stuff around here as well. So Nathan wanted to kind of do his little necrometer and stuff there. So we're going to let him do that. And then we'll get over there and try to do something ourselves. So kind of show you the little monument here. It's actually pretty cool. So there's the monument. You see Nathan walking up over there. It's got a nice big monument here. Kind of walk over here where you can see it. It's pretty cool right there. So I will go over there so I can get the text on it here, let you read it. So it says, to the memory of the unrecognized dead of the Ashtabula Bridge disaster whose remains are buried here. So that's kind of cool. Names of those known to have been among the unrecognized. Got a few of them there.
One guy in this.
And Nathan's over here doing some necrometer work. So let's check him out, see what he's doing.
Just want to answer your question. Did you die here? Oh, that's hard.
Were you part of the train wreck?
Yeah. Was there kids involved in the accident? You just said old road.
What did it say?
It's just old road and the pause before the end.
Let me get a pause before the end. No, it's kind of hard to see that there. That's pretty cool.
Here's all their names.
Yeah, it has some of them on there. If anybody here is talking to Nathan, maybe you can tell him who the monster is through his little device there.
You want to say something? I'm filming on my phone.
The animals.
What is your name?
Are you happy they put a memorial here?
Okay, so we have a hospital here. Supposed to be, the train area is supposed to be back over that way somewhere. According to this sign, the Ashtabula train disaster, December 29, 1876. Supposed to be back that way somewhere. Now we've seen a train down the road here a ways. You can see the track like way down there. So we're trying to figure out where the actual bridge used to be. It's probably not there anymore. Probably not there anymore, but as you can hear the train and stuff in the background. So we're trying to figure out where this is at. We're gonna kind of drive around till we find a way to get down there, hopefully. Okay, I think I found something here. So, site of the 1876 train and bridge disaster. Okay, so it is down that way somewhere. So let's get the crew and we'll get on down there.
Get you away from it, okay?
Got a little path here. Looks like it might open up to like an area over there.
Okay.
Remember how the 911 memorial was? It kind of looks like that. So we're just making our way over here, trying to figure out where the site was actually even at.
There are people that live here, Nathan, they would know.
Alright, so recording on the Insta360, and we're just going to open up a spirit box.
How about you make a beer?
Can you tell us where the train bridge was? So we got Nathan and Andrew back there too. We're just running the SPO7 PXB. Say that again, I'm sorry.
Sorry, I told you could.
This really says on running train.
I'm trying to figure out where the bridge is at. You said it was down this way?
Yep. Paulina?
Paulina. Is that your name? Paulina? Yes? Okay. Nice to meet you, Paulina. We are looking for the site of the train disaster in 1876, December 29th. So we're walking the trail, just looking for the bridge, what's left of the bridge, I should say. Maybe you can help us out and guide us there. You say rough? Am I getting close? Uh-huh. Okay, which way? Do I keep going straight? Right? Okay. Now, I should mention that this is an app on the phone. Take with it what you will. Oh, okay. Here we go. Railroad disaster. They've got an actual sign. Okay, so we've come down here to talk to you guys. Got a couple people that's over that way. What is your name? The one that's helping guide me. Can you give me your name? Oh, that was a strange noise there. Was that you? Sounds like I'm hearing train noises. Kind of weird. I've never actually heard that before. So again, we're using the Insta360 camera. Is there any bridge pieces left over? There's some? Okay. Thank you for that. Who am I speaking to? Can you give me your name? Oh, wow, I think I see it. Wow. That is something else. So as I approach this area, you get a sense of urgency, obviously. Is that because of what you endured here? You see it? You see it off in the distance? Okay, so we're going to switch over. I'm going to turn this off here and let Nathan run his necrometer. Guys, that's cool. Nathan, you still running your necrometer?
He got the name Charles.
Oh, okay. I got Pollyanna.
He did get female spirit right before that.
Before that, I got unravel sanitary, and uses letters to female spirit and Charles. Charles, did you die here in the train accident?
Wow.
Feel anger.
Remember, Nathan, try not to whisper. Make sure that you're talking a little bit loudly. That way we know what you talking and what's not.
That's hard to do. Were you angry that you took your life into the train accident?
Did you just hear that?
Yeah, I did actually.
I did too. Where they came from?
Maybe a frog? Maybe?
Really loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm recording, so hopefully it'll be on there.
Yeah. Cold. Cold. Joseph, it just said cold.
Cold? Okay.
Were you cold when you got into the train accident?
It was winter.
Was it winter? Or summer?
It was the dead of winter. Friday went up.
It was December 29th, buddy, when it happened.
This is taking too long.
This is taking too long.
Wow.
It's a long walk, isn't it, Charlie?
Ghost complaining.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, right. Sure.
You're taking too long. Find me.
Anybody else here? Is that Charles? What was taking you so long to the train? Nothing yet, Joseph.
It's right there, buddy.
We're gonna be in the dip.
Pretty sure that's it.
Off to the side of the river.
Want to be pulling in a little bit?
Didn't they say they rebuilt it, honey?
Got it.
I don't know. I thought they built a new one.
Probably the new one.
Well, that lady said that it was all the way at the end
Yeah.
of the
All the way
path.
to the end. Anybody else here?
They got like concrete and stuff up there. And then there's these pieces.
Him and interfaces. This is Lori. I swear to God, it just said Lori.
You want to go to the other side and see if there's anything on the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of get the lay of the land.
How do you get there?
Goodbye, buddy.
Okay.
I think you just walk through.
I'll let you go first.
Okay.
What was that?
I'd say this is it because there's an awful lot of like square blocks down here.
Oh, that's a little too deep.
Now, we're gonna have to help him get down here, honey.
Okay.
This one is steep.
Just be strong in your steps. Turn sideways.
You got it.
Turn sideways.
I can't land my left foot.
That's okay. Just sit down. I got you right here. There you go. You got it right there.
Oh, whoop.
One more.
One more push.
Yep. Right there. You got it. Look, this is wood right here, honey. That's all, and it's all lined up. It goes underneath.
Oh, alright.
So this has to be like, this was like the support that we're standing on. Probably what's left. It has to be it. Careful.
We're really going to balance the far too.
Huh? You're doing good, buddy.
Be careful around.
Yeah, this wood part is part of it.
I would think that it is, wouldn't you?
I'm saying the same
Yeah.
thing. I'm going to say the same thing, Joseph. Is this the train accident you guys had fallen?
And remember when they built when they built supports and stuff for things, they would pile up rocks like this.
It
Because look, it's in a diamond-shaped pattern.
Can you come here? Vandalize.
Vandalized?
They vandalized.
Yeah, they did vandalize it over there, didn't they?
They did.
It did say earlier local wildlife, and you can tell there's been like paw prints and stuff down here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're wood right here too.
Wood?
I totally missed that side. So yeah, these go all the way through, honey.
Of course they vandalized it.
There's wood here too.
Oh wow.
All this.
Wonder how far back that goes.
Demon. Demon.
So what I think is really weird is over here there are no wood, at least that we can see, for that section. That's kind of odd. Huh. Really weird. Okay, so got a train above us right now, but I want to try to do a voice recorder. I know I have an app on the phone here. It's just your basic app. So I'm just going to set this down and ask a bunch of questions. So we're going to start the session. I'm going to lay it down over here next to this bag. This is Joe from E.V.P.S Paranormal. Is there anybody here with us right now? I know that we have a train above us right now, and Nathan's over in the corner doing some meter work.
I want to shoot what this is.
Nathan, come over and sit down here with me. We'll do some EVP work.
I'll show you.
Different reality. Okay.
I'm going to stand here.
Okay. You got your thing turned off?
It's on.
On the sound? The sound turned down?
The sound is on.
Okay. Turn your volume down. Just let it run, but you can turn your volume down.
Low. It's low.
Okay. All right, sit down.
What is that?
Some of those garbage.
I'll sit next to you, Joseph.
Good. All right. So we have me and Nathan here right now, and we're gonna ask some questions here just by using the voice recorder on the phone. We're gonna set this back down, and we're trying to find out if there's anybody here with us. My name is Joe, and this is Nathan. We're just trying to see if there's anybody here from the train disaster that would like to talk with us and share their story. What happened to you on December 29th, 1876? It was a cold winter's day. Lots of snow.
Was this the bridge that you had died on during the accident?
Okay, let's see what we got on this here. So we're going to save that one. Okay, so we're going back down here for one more chance at a E.V.P. A lot of these guys started moving out of the way. We were actually heading back to the car. We waited for quite some time for them to kind of clear out, and they were doing the same thing we were doing, just down there checking it out, taking pictures and all that stuff. So, you know, again, you got to be respectful of that. So as they started clearing out, I decided to hand the keys to my wife and come down here for one more E.V.P. session. It's gonna be me by myself, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is when I get down here, I'll switch over to the Insta360 camera, and then I'll use this phone here for the voice recording. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off, and we'll get it all set up. All right, so we're gonna be outside of the area there. Down there is where the abutment or whatever, looks like the footer and all that kind of stuff was right there. So we're going to come over here and just see if we can get a quiet little area to do a little E.V.P. work. So yes, we're off the beaten path a little bit, but I don't think it matters. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our voice recorder, and we're going to go back and we're going to make another voice recording. Alright, so my name is Joe. I'm with E.V.P.S Paranormal. We've come down here to Ashtabula, or come up here I should say, to Ashtabula to see the wreck of the train disaster in 1876 on December 29th. So we're looking to see if there is anybody that can talk to me about that story, maybe give me a different perspective or words from you to someone. I'm all ears and ready to listen to you. Again, my name is Joe, and I'm with E.V.P.S Paranormal. Is there anybody here with me right now? So I know we have a car off in the distance in the background there. Alright, so I decided as my walk back here, since I don't know when I'm going to be back here, if it's going to be anytime soon or, you know, if it's going to be a while, I decided that I was going to do something on the way back. Necrometer, necrophonic, something. I think I'm going to try the necrometer. Nathan seems to like this one, and we'll just see what I can get on it here. We'll turn it on. See if we get anything here. Is there anybody with me? Can you say that again? Nothing to see. Okay. Nothing to see. Alright, well, I would imagine that, you know, a place so stained where cancer, yeah. Well, where 97 people had perished, I would imagine that there'd be some sort of a cancer, a stain. Maybe there isn't anything to see anymore, but to me, I still like learning about stuff like that, which is why that I'm here. So what is your name? The one that said it's a cancer and nothing to see. What is your name? Secret Garden. That's not your name. blue. Okay, that's again not making sense. So why are you saying blue secret garden? What's the correlation? Or is there a correlation? Maybe there's not. Maybe it's just you being you. Okay, we're going to switch the necrometer off.
Forsaken home.
And we're going to try something else. So, again, we're just walking back to the car here, so I want to try a couple things on the route back. We have Spirit Box, which we've already done that. I want to try something a little different. We've done necrometer. Let's try Spirit Talker. Haven't used Spirit Talker in a while. Pretty cool app. I know a lot of people like this. I'm still on the fence with it, so see what we can see with it. Turning it on, and we're just going to let it run. So my name's Joe, E.V.P.S Paranormal. We are walking back from the site of the train disaster from Ashtabula, Ohio on December 29th, 1876. Looking to see if there's anybody here from that time period that has anything to tell me. And we have people coming, so I have to stop again. Okay, so we got Spirit Talker turned back on. And I'm not getting anything on this. So, my name is Joe, E.V.P.S Paranormal. Again, walking back from the Ashtabula train disaster that happened in 1876, December 29th, on a cold day, close to the railroad depot. Anybody here that would want to talk about that subject? I would love to learn more information on that specific topic if you care to share. You can just see on the side of the creek bed where they dug everything out. That's pretty cool. Some of that might be natural as well, but I know that they did dig some of that out. I don't know which sections. I did read that somewhere in a book. Okay, so Spirit Talker has been running.
Sarah.
Sarah, okay. Sarah, my name is Joe. Nice to meet you. What would you like to talk to me about, Sarah?
Death.
You would like to talk to me about death, okay. Specifically, what are you talking about? Were you part of the train disaster?
Scary.
It is scary, okay, yeah. Death can be scary, but it is also a part of life. Were you part of the train disaster that happened on December 29th, 1876? Were you on that train? Sarah, are you still with me?
Help.
Help. Okay, what would you like help with? Sarah, are you still with me? Okay, so it appears that Sarah, who we've been talking to, doesn't seem like she's with us anymore. So, having said that, guys, we're reaching the end of the trail here, so I'm going to go ahead and hang this up. So, If there's any spirits now that would like to speak to me, now is the last time that you will have a chance to talk to me until I come back up here again at some point, some later date. Okay, so again, my name is Joe. I'm with E.V.P.S Paranormal. I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me, and thank you very much. I hope that you found peace, and I hope everything wasn't very traumatic for you in the end. All right, so we've ended everything that we've done here. Again, I just want to thank the spirits for even taking the time to listen to us and give us anything that they have given us so far. We still have to listen to a couple EVP recordings, see where those are at. But yeah, pretty cool time, pretty cool place. It's kind of busy right now, very loud. But yeah, you kind of got to expect that with a public outdoor investigation like such. So pretty cool place. I would love to come back one day when I have more time, maybe when it's a different time of the year where people aren't so inclined to come here, when it's not so warm. So yeah, again, thank you guys for everything you've done so far. If you haven't so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. It helps the algorithm, helps the channel grow, which we've experienced some decent growth already. And I want to thank everybody for that from the bottom of my heart. And it just goes to show that all the hard work we put in these videos, we actually have people that really enjoy it. So that is the whole goal. The whole goal is not to end up being like ghost adventurers and hunters and all that stuff. Be great, that'd be awesome. But our goal is to bring you real content from the paranormal, things that can really be collected, evidence that can really be collected, and not some kind of bullshit that you would see dramatized on a TV. So again, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.